So, good morning, everyone. Today, 18th of May 2021, I am going to start with the revision for French Revolution, isn't it? So, French Revolution. For this, हाँ जी, सबसे पहले हमने किया था what was the condition of France before 1789. A question is there in front of you. You can write the question because there are n number of questions. In that way, the question can be asked. So write down first question. What was the condition of France before 1789? In the short forms, you have to just write all the crux. What was the condition of France? निश्चल, हम लोग डिस्कशंस कर रहे हैं, हम लोग ये नहीं कह रहे हैं कि हाँ आपको पूरा आता है, मैं ये नहीं समझ रही हूँ आपको पूरा आता है, मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि मैंने पढ़ा दिया पूरा, नहीं, बिकॉज देयर इज नंबर ऑफ वेरिएशंस, लर्निंग इज ए नेवर एंडिंग प्रोसेस. इस फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन को जब भी मैं पढ़ाती हूँ मैं भी कुछ नया सीखती हूँ, ठीक है, जब भी मैं पढ़ाती हूँ मैं भी कुछ नया सीखती हूँ. आपने तो अभी पढ़ा ही 2 बार है, तो आप तो बहुत कुछ नया सीखोगे जब भी हम कुछ पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है. हाँ जी, बताइए. What is the condition of France before 1789?
Earlier France was non-democratic government.
Okay, democratic नाम नहीं लेना. It was monarchy. It was a monarchy. King's rule. Dictatorship नहीं कहेंगे हम लोग, monarchy कहेंगे. Dictatorship जो हिटलर ने चलाई थी कि मेरा ही जो मैं कह दिया वही चला, नहीं. ये लोगों की कंसेंसस रखते थे, लोगों से टैक्सेस लेते थे, लोगों को सिक्योरिटी देते थे, बट इनका विजन जो था ना वो किंगशिप का था, मोनार्की थी. ये लोगों के राइट्स की परवाह नहीं करते, लोगों को राइट्स नहीं देते थे, ठीक है. सो देयर वाज अ मोनार्की. Number 1. Number 2, society was divided into how many parts?
Three parts.
Three states. The society was divided into 3 states. Into how many states? 3 states. First state comprised of what category of people?
Calergy.
Second state?
Nobles.
Common people. Who will
Common
be
people,
writing
middle.
Who will be now? One more question. Which category of peoples were comprising in the third stage? Explain.
Common people, middle people, craftsperson, and peasants.
Okay. Peasants, artisans, craftsperson, peasants, they all were included in the common people. How much of population was there in the common people?
98%.
Okay, 98% में से कितने परसेंटेज जितने थे वो थे रिच सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी थे?
2%.
8%.
No, नहीं,
8%.
8%. How many people were there? That was 8%. ठीक है? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me the 2 types of taxes imposed by the France in the monarchy on the common people.
Tithe and tail.
Tithe and telle. Tithe and telle. Tithe and telle. What was tithe?
Ma'am, it was the tax imposed by the church.
Church on the
Third state.
common
Agricultural produce.
of a third state, and it was what amount of percentage?
1/10 of the agricultural produce.
1/10 of the produce of the peasant was being collected from the collected from the
Peasants.
Peasants.
Okay, so that was there. A tele was the tax imposed by the states on the peasants, and the tele, when the 13 colonies of America was being protected, 13 colonies of America was being given the protection by France to fight with their same one enemy, that was Britain. At that time, the finance, or we can say the treasury of the French treasury of the France was going on the debt condition, and the 1 billion livre was turning into the 2 billion livres debt on them. To meet with that expenditure, to meet with that condition, now King Louis XVI, who was from the Bourbon dynasty, become as the emperor or become as a king in 1774. After that, he had made this attempt that he has helped 13 American countries. So what he has done, he tried to meet with the expenses to make the condition available that the livre means the currency of France. Livre is the standard unit currency of France. So उसको maintain किया जाए तो he tried to increase the taxes and tele वो increase करना चाहता था. So he want to raise the tele on the common people, but due to the bad harvest, due to the already people were engaged in the war side, and पीछे से crops किसी ने लगाई ही नहीं थी. So conditions were worse, and they people were not able to pay the taxes. That is why they agitate. Or at that time also, number of the philosophers were also there. Number of philosophers who has given the idea of freedom, idea of equality, idea of justice, idea of you can say one person, this equality opportunity for all. Due to that, they had given the concept that the law should be made according to the needs and according to the requirement of common people. That is why when the state journal meeting was being conducted on 5th of May 1789, all the third estate people, they walk out from that palace, and they do not want to cast their vote, do not want to give the consensus for increasing the taxes. So on 20th of June in the indoor stadium of Versailles, they met together and made their consensus that they will be going to make a national assembly. Is it okay to everyone? कोई doubt यहाँ तक, राम, निश्चल?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next question अब मुझे बताइए. Who name the philosophers who has given the idea of liberty, equality, opportunity, and freedom to all?
Ma'am, Mirabeau,
Hmm.
Montesquieu,
हाँ.
J.J. John Locke,
John Locke,
Abesias.
Abesias.
Abesai.
Okay.
J.J.
And
J.J. Rousseau.
हाँ, Jean Rousseau, J.J. Rousseau. ठीक है. So they had given the idea of freedom, equality, justice, and the idea of legislative, executive, and judiciary. Now, one question from your back exercise already you have given, you have done that. What were the main causes of French Revolution? Can you write? What were the main causes of a French Revolution? Just I'll give you 2 minutes. Write down your answers and show it only on your screen. Hurry up.
To stop
Yes,
to
बच्चे,
stop
Balpreet.
believing the king as the god.
Okay, one point तो ये चलो हम कह सकते हैं. The social contract means the common people should have their right to choose their representative, and there must be a contract between the common people and their representative. The contract between the common people and the representative, that must be there. That idea was being given by Rousseau. Okay, which the idea of legislative, executive, and judiciary. ये idea किसने दिया था?
Montesquieu.
Montesquieu, exactly. Montesquieu has given the idea of legislative, executive, and judiciary. And do you know we also had adopted in India this idea. In India, जब हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनना स्टार्ट हुआ था, तो हमने ये अपना आइडिया जो है वो भी हमने इनसे लिया था. ठीक है, फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन से ही ये आइडिया. एंड दिस आइडिया इज ऑल्सो बीइंग फॉलोड बाय द यूएसए ऑल्सो. This idea is also being followed by the USA after getting the independence from 13 American companies. 13 American companies जो countries जो थी, when there was a war, Louis 16 जिसने help की थी वो independent हुई, and then they also have adopted this idea of Montesquieu in their own country. ठीक है, उसके बाद मेरा क्वेश्चन आता है, नेशनल असेंबली का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कब बना था? When was the Constitution of National Assembly was being formed? कब बना था? Please tell.
1791.
Yes. On देखो बनना स्टार्ट हुआ, मीटिंग कब हुई? 20th June 1789 को, with the motive to make National Assembly. असेंबली में नेशनल असेंबली बनानी. नेशनल असेंबली के बाद फिर हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ड्राफ्ट होगा. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ड्राफ्ट तक मैसेज आ गया कि ये ड्राफ्ट होना है. आफ्टर दिस इट वाज बीइंग डन एंड प्रिपेयर्ड इन 1791. इट वाज रेडी, बट वेदर द किंग लुई 16 वाज ready to accept it?
No, ma'am.
What the
No,
secret negotiation he has made? Right, the secret negotiation King Louis XVI has made after the framing of National Congress. I'm writing, giving you the question. बोलिए बेटा.
He was seeking help from King of Prussia.
Prussia and
Austria.
yes, he has made the secret negotiations, secret you can say consensus with the two kings. One was Prussia and other was Austria, that they should go on attack on our country, and our country member, all the peasants were not in the condition to bear that attack, and definitely they will be defeated, and again the ultimately power will be in my hand. हुआ क्या? What had happened?
Revolt.
Revolt was there, and the poor section of society from the third estate, because all the people who had made the constitution were the 8% people from third estate who were rich and powerful. ठीक है? So they were the member of this constitution framing body. But all the other common people of third estate were feeling themselves neglected because of all the this feudal system was still existing. Censorship was again still in the hands of the National Assembly, we can say. Our right to vote was also being given only to the active citizens. अब यहाँ पर फिर मैं point कर रही हूँ, what is the difference between active citizens and passive citizens? हाँ जी. What is it, Shri? What is the difference between active citizens and passive citizens?
Ma'am, active citizens were allowed to vote, but passive citizens were not allowed to vote.
Okay,
And
which
passive
parameters
citizens,
were considered to put them under the active citizens? Which characteristics were required to become a member of active citizens?
They must be literate.
They must be
Literate.
nahi.
And they should have property. Property.
One
They
their
must
age
have
must
equal
be
to
above
25
the
years.
25
and
years
was
of age.
required.
Number
And they
one
should
is
They
protect.
should
Paneet,
equal.
let me.
They should.
Paneet, let me. Number one, the age of a person should be above the 25. They must have property in hand and they must fall under the bracket of highest tax paid. So the members of National Assembly were, कितने National Assembly के members बने थे? कितने member थे?
745.
मैंने 545 लिखा है?
745.
Yes, 745 members were there from the third section of society. 8% population section में से जो थे, elite class जो थे, rich section of society जो थे, they have not stopped the feudal system. When the National Assembly, अब मैं another question पूछ रही हूँ different way में, when the National Assembly was being formed in 1791, why the concept of feudalism was remain unchecked or remain silent or remain no change? Please give me this answer.
Can
for
you
this.
repeat?
When the constitution of National Assembly was being framed in 1791, the concept of feudalism was remain untouched. What was the reason behind it? Kamalji. Noor is there in the class? Noor, are you there? नहीं है, वो आज क्लास में नहीं है. Yes, beta. Please tell. हाँ जी, what was the reason?
And the people who framed, they were from the rich section of society.
Yes,
so
Anshuman,
they did not
very
bother
nice.
about the lower
As
section.
the 8% people from the third estate were prosperous and rich people, and they were doing their business by taking the raw material from America, and they were providing the slaves to America. So due to that slave, they were transporting from Africa to America. So it was generating the profit to this section of society. That is why they do not want to stop the slave trade or feudalism. That is why the task of slave trade or the task of feudalism was remain untouched when the National Assembly was being framed. And after this, when the third section of society, fourth section of society, they had made their convention. उन्होंने क्या बनाया फिर? They had made their convention, and in that convention there was a club that was called a Jacobin Club. So Jacobin Club के leader का नाम क्या था? What was the name of Jacobin Club leader?
Maximilian Robespierre.
Maximilian Robespierre. So Maximilian Robespierre was a leader of Jacobin Club who has introduced the system of ceiling of prices. Market prices. Market prices fix कर दिए. Bread and meat was being rationed. सबको एक जैसा मिलेगा. White flour was forbidden. कोई भी सफेद आटा नहीं खाएगा. सारे के सारे brown आटा खाएंगे. ठीक है? Wages were being fixed. सबकी wages fix कर दी गई. So he has done all these things. Why so? And he has also stopped the feudalism and privileged on the basis of birth. Okay? So these parameters were being adopted by Jacobin club's Maximilian Robespierre, and during his time, the period was known as sphere control and punishment. That period was considered to be as 1793 to 1794. Why so? Because the prices of the goods were fixed, wages were fixed, ceiling of the bread was being rationed. You can say bread or the prices were rationed. And guillotine was the device which was being maintained by Dr. Guillotine. According to it, if any person will be go against the convention or Jacobin clubs, उनके जो theories हैं, उसके against जाएगा, they will be beheaded in that guillotine. उस guillotine जो tool है, the two logs with one knife beheaded that, their head will be beheaded and they will be punished in that. That system was there. That is why his period was considered to be as a severe control and punishment system. दूसरी चीज, He has also removed the system of class. सर और मैडम का जो टाइटल था that was foregone. कौन सा टाइटल दिया गया था राम? All person during that period of Jacobin clubs were considered as, क्या कहा गया था?
Citoyen and citoyen.
Citoyenne and
Citoyen.
citons means citizen. सर और मैडम को रिमूव कर दिया गया, citoyen and citizens जो है उनको ही दिया गया. That was being and एक और चीज की गई थी इसके पीरियड में. Please tell.
Churches were shut down.
Yes, churches were shut down. I just want to get answer from your side. Churches were shut down and the buildings of churches were converted into
Barracks and
Barracks.
offices.
barracks and offices. Church खत्म कर दी थी,
Barracks.
पहले खत्म कर दिया था. Yes, Pranjal. Yes, Pranjal, but you want to say something? हाँ जी पुत्र, कोई डाउट?
No, ma'am, I was just giving answer.
Okay, fine. So अभी मुझे प्रांजल, I want answer from you. अगर मैं आगे proceed कर रही हूँ, women's contribution in the French Revolution. What kind of women's contribution was there in the French Revolution? Two women's club. The socialistic, मैं help कर देती हूँ. बोलो फटाफट. Hurry up, Sakshi. Anyone? हम लोग अभी 37 हैं, मेरे को निकालो 36 हैं, जल्दी बोलिए.
And the Society of Revolutionary and the Republican Women.
The Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. Excellent. These two groups or the clubs were formed by the women's, and which idea they want? कौन से तीन idea वो want? कौन demands थी वो चाहते थे?
Right to vote.
Women enjoy
Political
Women
rights.
enjoy the same
Political rights. Then second is
Equal wages.
social right, and third is economic right.
Elected to the assembly and to hold political office.
बेटा बुक मत पढ़ राजे. पहली चीज तो they want the right to vote, means they want to be a member of political this you can say political उसमें national assembly में वो participate करना चाहते थे. They want to become the member of that. Fill your attendance in the meanwhile. And second thing आ जाती है what they want earlier, before the French Revolution, women were not allowed to get education. थर्ड स्टेट की लोगों गर्ल्स को women's को right नहीं था. But with the Jacobin clubs formation, later on the women's club formation, they had raised their voice and they got the right to get education. And schools were being made and compulsory. It was compulsory for the women's or the girl child to get the education. दूसरा change क्या आया? Earlier, women were not having a right to choose their life partner during the time of marriage, but now they were having the right to say, or marriage become official, मतलब legal, and marriage में if the girl or a boy want to take divorce, then the divorce was becoming legal and the file can be put forward by both the persons, either male or female. So these rights were, and equal wages for equal work. These rights were being generated after the formation of women's, and with the motive with the French Revolution process, women got these rights. No doubt. France के अंदर right to vote after a struggle of 200 years, women's got. हमें भारत में जब हमारा भारत आजाद हुआ, हमें साथ के साथ यूनिवर्सल अडल्ट फ्रेंचाइजी मिल गया. विमेन्स में राइट टू वोट भारत को साथ पे साथ मिल गया, लेकिन फ्रांस के अंदर विमेन्स गॉट राइट आफ्टर 200 ईयर. इन 1946 विमेन गॉट राइट टू वोट. ठीक है. और अगर मैं फ्यूडलिज्म की बात करूं, स्लेव ट्रेड की बात करूं, जैकोबिन्स ने स्लेव ट्रेड को खत्म कर दिया था, लेकिन उसके 10 साल बाद नेपोलियन ने फिर उसको इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया, जो कि लास्ट में जाकर कब खत्म हुआ फ्रांस में से? कैन एनीवन टेल मी?
1848.
Yes, it was finished in 1848. कोई डाउट? ये सिर्फ मैं ईयर्स याद करवाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ और साथ साथ तुम्हारा दिमाग चला रही हूँ कि एक सेक्शन से दूसरे सेक्शन में कैसे जाना है। ठीक है, तेजस, तेजस प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बच्चे। तेजस, नवतेज कौर, नवतेज कौर अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। डरो मत बेटा, मैं कुछ ऐसा नहीं पूछने लगी, मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारे से हल्का हल्का पूछूंगी। हरकीरत सिंह 20 रोल नंबर। नहीं कोई बताएगा? अभी तो मैंने क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछा। अंकित, यू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा। Ankit, okay. Who was the king of France?
Louis XVI.
Louis XVI. And he became the king in which year?
And he became the king in
Hurry up. Anyone who can help?
1774.
Yes, 1774. Ankit, he was from which dynasty? Ankit, बिस्किट खाते हो? मैंने बिस्किट के साथ रिलेट किया था तुम्हें।
Bourbon family.
बॉन आप बॉन के बिस्किट खाते हो? तो बॉन याद रखो, चॉकलेट बिस्किट जो हमारा सबका फेवरेट होता है, उससे बार्बन डायनेस्टी याद रखो। नहीं याद रहेगा नहीं तो, ठीक है? बार्बन डायनेस्टी। एंड नेम ऑफ हिज वाइफ?
Mary Antoinette.
हाँ, मेरिया एंटोइनेटे। ठीक है? So this was, and next मेरा क्वेश्चन है, that is you can say what is tele? हरकीरत, what is tele?
Ma'am, tax to be paid directly to the state.
Very good, excellent answer. The tax which is paid by the third state directly to the state. ठीक है? उसके बाद आ जाता है who was Napoleon Bonaparte? Who was Napoleon Bonaparte? कौन था? मुझे भूल गया, प्लीज बताओ, मेरी हेल्प करो। राम, who was Napoleon? A military dictator who got the power after the collapse of directory rule, after the turmoil condition of directory rule, and he got the power of France in his own hand. He had made the changes. Number one, equal weight and measure system was being set up along with the decimal system. Right to property was being protected. Feudal system was again in operation, जो खत्म हो गया था, इसने दोबारा इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया। उसके बाद रेलवे was expanded, उसके बाद ट्रांसपोर्टेशन was expanded. But इसके साथ साथ और क्या चीजें उसने की? He has made all the area, he was considered to be as a changer in France. But exactly क्या हुआ? Every street of a France was having the military which is appointed by the Napoleon. But in the Battle of Waterloo in 1815, he was being defeated, and then the power was ultimately comes in the hands of common people, and the French monarchy was transferred from the different ways, path, journeys, come under the process of, we can say, as a republican country. And they had given their idea, even Indian people. Name the two Indian people who were inspired from the French Revolution. That was, दो बंदे थे, कौन थे?
Raja
Sultan
Ram.
and Raja Ram Mohan Rai.
Yes, Tipu Sultan and Raja Ram Mohan Rai was very much influenced from the idea of French Revolution, and they also get, और टीपू सुल्तान की अगर हम बात करें, मराठा के राजा थे टीपू सुल्तान, और उन्होंने ब्रिटिशर्स के अगेंस्ट लड़ाइयां जो लड़ी थी वो इसी कारण लड़ी थी क्योंकि उस टाइम पर और इस पीरियड के बाद ही हमारे इंडिया में जो है 1857 की लड़ाई हुई थी, जो आप 8th क्लास में पढ़ के आए हो। 1857 में हुई थी ना लड़ाई, फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, याद हो तो। वो क्यों हुई थी?
Yes,
बिकॉज आइडिया ऑफ दिस वाज रिफ्लेक्टेड इन दैट idea of this war to have the common people right on themselves, their freedom, their dignity should be protected. That is why India के लोगों में भी awakening आए and they go to just kick the Britishers out and they start raising their voice against the Britishers. So हर कहानी का हर कहानी के साथ लिंक होता है। Got it? कोई डाउट फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन में? हो जाएगा? Anyone? Is it okay? कल मैं आपको ज्योग्राफी का कंसेप्ट बट अपना मैप साथ लेके बैठना, मैं मैप भी साथ साथ करवा दूंगी आपको, ठीक है?